Whether you know your old Google account password, or maybe whether you forgot it and you just want to reset it to something that you can actually remember, it's important to every once in a while go in and reset that password because ultimately it's linked to your Gmail, to your Google Drive, to your calendar, to YouTube, etc. I'm going to walk you through the steps, the easiest way that you can reset that password so no one else can get in there and steal your information. Now, I'm on an iPhone, but you can also do this on Android or a computer. It works the exact same. Open up a web browser and go to google.com. If you're already signed into your account, it's easy to change the password because at the top right here, you'll see your profile. Tap on your profile. Tap on Manage Your Google Account. Scroll down, tap on Google Password. You'll be able to see it might ask you to log in or authenticate that you have access to this account. And then it just says new password. Choose a strong password and don't reuse an old one. Just enter it twice and you're good to go. However, let's say you don't remember your old Google password. It's pretty easy because all you need to do into Google is type in I forgot Google account password. Tap on this first link, change or reset password. And then scroll down. Of course, we just went through these steps, but if you're not able to access your account, you can tap on follow the steps to recover your account. And it will pop up with this. Essentially, enter in the email and phone number on here. After you do enter in the email and phone number, it'll go through the process of helping you recover that password or reset it if you no longer remember it. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one as well. And thanks for watching.